Act 3, Scene 2 is a large scene. So we should not hurry up in completing for the completion of this one. Slowly but smoothly and steadily we'll move. We have come to the last portion and Bassanio has received a letter from Antonio via Salerio, and that letter describes Bassanio's present condition. And further, if we look at all this situation, one thing we'll understand: Bassanio is indeed a good friend, but as a human being, he is a clever kind of person. A person cannot be good to everyone. So Bassanio, if we make one overall assessment, he is a very clever kind of person, and here his character totally changes. In Act 1, Scene 1, Act 1, Scene 3, we have found Bassanio lacks confidence, and here also we are finding Bassanio lacking confidence. Salerio, so we have completed till line 274 and we will start from 275. Now today's video is going to be in two parts, so kindly go through both the videos for perfect understanding. And furthermore, the homeworks those are provided to you. In whatever copy you have written, you should submit those copies. It is better to write in school copies, but whatever copies you have used, submit those copies. Online, that means via WhatsApp, once I have checked. So the hard copies I am going to check again. Next. $275. Not one, my lord Salerio. Not one means not a single ship survived. The reporting, the news here is not purely true. He is telling that all the ship got destroyed, not that. One ship that was returning got destroyed in the narrow sea, that is English Channel. So not all the ships got destroyed. Besides, it should appear that if he had the present money, it should appear means it seems, it is true that if he had the present money to discharge the Jew, even if he has the 3000 ducats to return to Shylock, he would not take it. Shylock will not take that money. Shylock had given the money to Antonio, and when did he give that? In aside, he mentioned one thing: if one I can catch him, then I will feed him the ancient grudge that I bear him. So Shylock's intention is to feed Antonio the grudge, that means take revenge, not to take the money back, and he is successful in doing that. Never did I know a creature. Who is a creature? Shylock. He is mentioning Shylock as a creature. The hatred is found everywhere, especially in the speeches of Antonio and his associates, that did bear the shape of man, so keen and greedy to confound a man. Keen means sharp, greedy means you know very well. To confound means kill a man. That means he is saying that he has never seen a human being or a creature. Shylock is not human being according to him, but a terrible creature in the shape of human being. We have read angel in disguise. To them, Shylock is an a devil in disguise. So he just wears the shape of man. So had never seen a creature in the shape of human, so keen and greedy to confound a man. So keen, so interested to kill a man. He plies the Duke at morning and at night. He replies means he requested the Duke at morning and at night. That means morning and at night, it signifies from morning till night. That means entire day he requested the Duke to take strict action against Antonio. for failing to pay him the money. Further, due to the expiry of the bond of 1 pound of flesh, he doth impeach the freedom of the state. Now, in your book, right hand side, it is written, among the privileges that the state of Venice guaranteed the foreigners like Shylock with an equal claim of legal justice. Shylock says that to deny him justice is to show that the privileges or myth have no reality. Venice is well known to the entire world, was well known that time to the entire world, not only for the business relation allowed the spread of the news, but actually Venice used to have a very good relation with each country for its justice, secularism, liberty and all these things. But the Shylock is saying that if the Duke denies him justice, then he will surely raise question about all these things and he will let the world know the reality of Venice. That means he is going to disclose all the discriminations and the behavioral problem and other things going on in Venice on the basis of religion. He plies the Duke at morning and at night and does impeach the freedom of the state. And does impeach the freedom of the state means, that means he will raise question. He will raise question about the freedom of the city here if they deny him justice. So, the status of the city of Venice will get a large question mark if Shylock is denied of justice. The Duke himself and the magnificos mean the nobleman, the royal people, the rich people of greatest port have all persuaded with him. All persuaded with him means they all followed him, all requested him, all tried to take him away from his decision, but he did not listen to anyone. But none can drive him, that means take him away from the envious plea. Envious means venomous. I am not going to tell poisonous, I will use the term venomous. Venomous plea of forfeiture, that means penalty of justice and his bond. All tried to change his mind, but he did not listen to anyone. It is actually the characteristics of Shylock. From the beginning we have found he is very adamant in his behavior. So, it is impossible for anyone to change his mind. He will not change himself. So, he will take the pound of flesh at any cost. Jessica, when I was with him, now this is very painful statement. I was with him, father is considered as a third person him. It would be better to hear that I was with my father. Instead, he is saying with him. We have heard in Indian mythology Vibhishan, the brother of Ravana, same characteristics we are getting here. She not only betrayed her father, she betrayed emotion, she had raised a question mark about this relationship. I have heard him swear to Tubal and to Chas, his countrymen, his people of his own religion. She has overheard the conversation. Overheard means somehow heard the conversation. That he would rather have Antonio's flesh than 20 times the value of the sum that he did owe him. That if Antonio is ready to give the 20 times of the principal, that means 3,000 ducats, that means 60,000 ducats. If Antonio is ready to give Shylock 60,000 ducats, he will not take that. Rather, he would like to take 1 pound of flesh from Antonio's chest, as it was mentioned, from any part of your body that pleaseth me. That means any part of his body that he likes. And I know, my lord, yes, Bassanio is now lord to her, and father is a man who is considered as third person here. So cheap of, so bad of, so pathetic of Jessica. And I know, my lord, if law, authority, and power deny him not, it will go hard with poor Antonio. If the legal system, if the law or the power does not stop him, he will surely take revenge on Antonio. He will not stop at any cost. Okay, we accept Shylock's action. Why? He himself was tortured on the name of racial discrimination. So this is expected from him, though it is very hard and barbarous, yet accepted to certain extent. But killing someone is not a method to take revenge. He could better teach Antonio a lesson in another way, but killing someone cannot be the method. That is why I use the term certain extent. It is not entirely accepted. Portia, is it your dear friend that is thus in trouble? 295. Now the lady understood it is Antonio, the dear friend of Bassanio, who is in trouble. Bassanio, the dearest friend of mine, the kindest man, the best condition, and unwearied spirit. Unwearied means who does not get tired in doing courtesies, in paying respect, in doing good, in doing benevolent work. So he is not only the best friend of Bassanio, further he said that unwearied spirit, he is tireless, and best condition, that means he is very gentle in nature, sober in nature, while doing what? While doing courtesies, while paying respect to others, while doing good to others. And one in whom the ancient Roman honor more appear than any that draws breath in Italy. He is the one in whom what appears? The ancient Roman honor, as it is written in your book, the loyalty to friend and country. That means honesty and loyalty. So in Antonio, what appears? The loyalty, honesty, love for country, dedication for the country. Then anyone draws breath means alive in Italy. So he is the most decent person in Italy, who seems like those ancient Roman people who were famous for their love for the country, friendship, brotherhood, honesty and loyalty. So this is the best description that we have of Antonio in this entire drama. This is the best description of Antonio, and that is done by the best friend Bassanio. We will have the second part of this one. We will try to complete this scene today. Here you go. So this is the part 1. So do it for the part 2. Thank you.